Hey guys, it's Ross Scott and Space Couch. So we're going to have a look at this. The Book of British Birds. It's missing its dust jacket. I picked this up for £1 from the car boot sale a month or two back. And it's absolutely beautiful inside. It has all wonderful, wonderful illustrations of birds. For instance, this. With some information about them, you can see the areas that they're found in. And just such beautiful artwork, all these hand-painted birds. Let's see what else. For instance, these. Is that a yellow hammer? And what's the other one? A tree sparrow. Then you have these. And it's the sort of thing, you can't just leave something like that when it's just £1, and the quality of the art and the detailed information inside is just amazing. It's like a red grouse. And what was that, a peregrine, is it? Ptarmigan, sorry. There's ones I've never even heard of, like this one, the red start. I think it's a red start. Yes, red start. Oh, the pied flycatcher. Then it has in the different types of landscapes you'll find it in, the particular birds. Like, I've never heard of these two before, but they're both so pretty, especially this one. A water rail and a spotted crake. Some sandpipers, again something I've never heard of before. These, it's beautiful. So yes, I was very happy to pick this up. There's a puffin there. Then it has visitors that you get, birds from other places visiting the UK. These are from Europe, so various ones there. What else do we have here? Like how they're designed for flight, a bird. And there's a bit, I don't know if it's near here, but it's about feathers. Let's see. There's more, you can see it in action there. Then it's like, they take care of their plumage, because our birds are always grooming themselves and each other. It says bird society, so bird interactions with each other. See, for us here, it's like finding and keeping a mate. That's like a puffin there. The dance of the great crested grebe. Then it has about different eggs. So an absolutely fantastic volume. What else do we have? Birds and Man. Let's see. A bit about how to watch for birds. Birds and domestication, like hens and chickens and stuff. Enter the budgerigar, it says, in various types of budgerigars, parakeets, parrots, all that sort of stuff. There you see a pheasant with its tail feathers spread. So it just has, say, areas you'll find different birds. So there's the southwest and everything. The southeast, sorry. Yes, and that is about it. So yes, it's a fantastic acquisition. This is absolutely delighted with it. Like I say, for £1 for something of this quality, and look how thick it is. It's hundreds and hundreds of pages. So it could not pass up. And obviously, I absolutely love birds. Having been a dad to some budgies for quite some time now. But I thought I'd show this to you, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment suggestion for a comment topic you'd like to see discussed. Or like the video.